Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about the top 5 best budget motherboards for 2022. Whether you are building a new PC or upgrading your current setup without breaking the bank, I got you covered for the best options. So let's jump in. But before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. So now let's begin. Starting off our list at number 5 is the ASRock B660M Pro4. This motherboard offers excellent value with support for Intel's latest processors with DDR4 memory and PCIe Gen 4. It also comes with a robust power delivery, multiple M.2 slots for fast storage, and USB 3.2 ports for high-speed connectivity. It's perfect for budget builders who are looking for a reliable and feature-rich motherboard. At number 4, we have the MSI B550A Pro. This motherboard is a great choice for AMD Ryzen builds, offering support for PCIe Gen 4, a high-speed RAM, and multiple storage options. It also features a premium thermal solution with excellent heat sinks, ensuring your system runs cool even under heavy loads. The B550A Pro is an ideal for gamers and content creators on a budget. Coming in at number 3, we have the Gigabyte B760M DS3H. This motherboard offers a fantastic balance of features and affordability, with support for the latest Intel chips, a dual M.2 slots, and a USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports. Its user-friendly BIOS and durable build make it a great choice for first-time builders and experienced enthusiasts alike. Coming in number 2, we have the Asus TUF Gaming B550 Plus. Known for its durable gaming and oriented features, this motherboard supports AMD processors, a PCI Gen 4 slot, a high-speed RAM configuration. It also comes with a military-grade components and comprehensive cooling solution, making it a reliable and long-lasting option for gamers and power users. And finally, taking the top spot in the list is the ASRock B450M Steel Legend, offering excellent performance and a host of features at an affordable price. This motherboard supports AMD processors, dual M.2 slots, a high-speed memory configuration, and its rugged design and high-quality components ensure stability and longevity, making it the best budget motherboard for 2024. Well, that's the end of this video, so I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. But don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. So see you next time. Bye.